Again, hello everyone. After Betheme upload, you see this type page. There is three option. That's live preview, active, return to themes pages. You need to click activate. After activate, you have one option that begin installing plugin. You need to click here and now see this type of page. Here you select plugin, that's all plugins selected, and from bulk action you click to install and apply. Now return to required plugin installer and then require all plugin to activate. From bulk action I click activate and apply. For activating you need some time. If need so much time you can reload this. I wait for activating. I stop loading and again plugin dashboard home and select plugin from all plugin installed plugins and again select inactive and activate all plugins selected and apply. Again I goes to my plugins to see that activation is completed. Yes, activation is completed. Now I need to upload demo. From okay, I again go to my dashboard home and see the appearance Betheme demo data. Now I click import demo. From demo you choose the demo which you want to upload. I click bprint. Okay, print and check it. Import attachment and import demo data. I click here. Now I wait for completed demo upload. When demo upload is completed, you see a confirmation that all done, have fun. Now you can see the web page. That's your demo is uploaded. uh, you can see that revelation slider error slider with alias print not found. So you install the slider revolution already installed it, but you need to demo upload a demo in slider revolution. For slider revolution demo upload you click import slider and choose file slider revolution demos and select the print demo. Yes, I import slider. Now installing print.zip for slider evaluation. And if you refresh it, I think it's show a slider. Yes, it shows slider. Now it's your full demo. Now you can customize and ready your website. Thank you for watching my tutorial.